Hello there, I'm going to show you how to add water dispersion on any object by using Photoshop. Now you can see there's a apple and a half of the lower side there is a water splash. So I'm going to show you how to do it. You can see I have already taken a page, and over on that page I have taken an apple, so you can see it. So I'm going to show how which part, like how to, like which part you should just cut that down. So let's take a brush, let's just create a color of it. I'm gonna take it so that I can show you which part I should delete it. So a little bit these things should be erased. Okay, so now you're understanding. So let's just go to the black and erase toward. Let's just create a clipping marks tool, and then let's just come to the eraser by clicking E on keyboard. And now you are going to decrease your opacity from 100 to 30ish, and brush should be this or that one, like it's up to you how you'd like to do or delete some parts. So I'm going to delete. So now you can see it's not working. Why it's not working? Okay, so I'm just moving it. It's just a little bit move it. Like you just move it. You just have to move it clearly. Just select the part and drag it down. Move it. Move it. It's kind of. It's easier. It's really easier to delete this kind of person. If you think this is not happening actually the way you're wanting, so you can do it right this way too. But before the last part of it, you have to be very careful that you are deleting something. It's very really important to us. I think this is done with it. I like it, like I'm done with it, this thing. Okay, this is enough. So then I have to add a water splash. So for this I have collected a water splash from Google, obviously. Then you just have to Control A to select all the version and drag it to here. So now you can see I have already did it. And what I have to do is Control T to transform it to in 180 degree. So I have rotated it. So and then you have to do it like you have to feed it in with the apple so that it looks so real and surreal. So I have done it. I guess this is all done. So if you think this is not looking clearly, so you have to decrease the opacity to state it clearly, and so that it can be look like a real thing. So Ctrl T again, and let's just click the right button and to rotate it. So just a little bit to show that you are making it to understanding that it is actually coming from the apple. The color is it's okay with it. I think the dispersion is going great. A little bit of down. I hope you were done with it, or you were should be satisfied with it. Okay, then I'm done. Then what we need to do is to increase the opacity to 54 to 100, obviously a little bit, but I will have to move it, and then there I will also create a max tool, and we'll go to the eraser tool by clicking E, and we'll starting remove it very slowly. Just a little, the software should be here because so that you can understand the actual part is actually coming through the part like this fast. Okay, it's going great. I'm going to do it a little like this so that it can look more real. Okay, let's just move it. I don't want this to be these things to be here, and let's just wrap it again. If you think it's not getting perfect, it's totally up to you how you like to get it. It's totally up to you. I'm talking to you again. Like the water should be coming here to here. You can go and make it correct again and again if you want to. I think I'm done with it. So I'm going to decrease my opacity again until 200, and then a little bit of right here. It's nearly done. So then what we need to do, the color of the splash obviously should be changed. Before this, what we need to do, the apple's color is a little bit too deep or bright. For this we have to go to the adjustment tool and using to hue and saturation, and before this we have to use the clipping mask to the object. So a little bit of moving. I think that's good. That's a looking a real. A little bit. Not too much. Let's make it a real thing. I think I'm done with it. And let's go to the object splash. Another hue and saturation. It's also should be into clipping mask by clicking it, and let's just drag it to the blue to reddish. Obviously it should be red because the apple is red here, you can see. It's kinda real, right? I think this is okay. Yeah, right. So a little bit of thing, you just have to drag it, and I just play with that adjustment layer so that it looks, can look as a real. That's another thing. Yeah, right. It shouldn't be more, it shouldn't be extra saturated. It just have the must have the limits, like real or surreal. What I am talking about, I was talking about the thing. This would be lightness should not be much more. Like this would be a 4. That's it. So I'm gonna click it, hit OK. So now you can see the difference. Oops. So this is the thing you can see. It's looking real. So the from the water, from the apple, the water splash is coming out. So it's a really easy and first way to make water dispersion by using Photoshop. So hope this is helpful to you, and thank you. Thanks for watching.